Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Nextdoor account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nextdoor.com and press enter. Now from this page, just click on the sign in button if you haven't logged into your account already and then proceed with logging into your account. Once you are logged in, you will end up on this home page. Now in order to cancel your account, just click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on settings. Now from the settings menu, scroll all the way down and you will find an option to deactivate your account. You can simply go ahead and click on it, and now you will be asked to provide a reason for deactivating your account. You can simply select any one of the reasons and then click on the deactivate button, but you can also provide a feedback before you do so. Now after selecting your reason and providing your feedback if you want, just click on the deactivate button and this will continue with cancelling your account. If you don't wish to share your feedback, just make sure to uncheck the box which says share this feedback with your neighborhood leads. Once you click on the deactivate button, you might be asked to enter your password to verify your identity. After entering your password, your account will be deactivated, but it is not permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to cancel your Nextdoor account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.